Thereafter, invite His Excellency the President.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, all the distinguished participants, all protocols observed, good afternoon. Your Excellency, this is a very important conference, and in my thinking, I should have been invited on the first day, not the last one, because this must be a very truthful conversation that requires a truthful and an honest man. But now I'm coming at the tail end, but I'll still speak truthfully. Your Excellency, I've been asked as convener of IBEC to comment. It is true. We do sit with officials from the national government and our governors in that forum called IBEC. And the truth of the matter is that the wage bill among our counties sometimes is between 47% up to 70%, which is contrary to the PFM Act of 2012, that caps at 35%. This situation is not sustainable, and that is the truth. And Your Excellency, most of these people seated here are not very truthful. Despite that they are clapping in these resolutions, my own engagement with them tells me differently. In my duty as coordinator of constitutional commissions and independent offices, which you have given me, and it's a great privilege, I receive many complaints and petitions against this or that commission. 98% of all the complaints and petitions that I receive are against the chairperson of the Salaries and Remuneration Commission. And most of the people seated here do bring those petitions. Indeed, Your Excellency, to be truthful, you are the only person I've heard you say that the chairperson of the Salaries and Remuneration Commission is doing a good job. Everybody else has a problem with her. So let's be honest and let's be truthful, and there's a time. This wage bill is not sustainable, and those resolutions are very good, and I hope you have endorsed them and clapped from the heart. Your Excellency, I cannot sit here and purport to give you advice. Lakini, this issue of fake certificates, I think it's a quick win for us. I think it's a quick win, Your Excellency. If we make a decision to get rid of all the fellows and characters with fake certificates, probably we could knock 10,000 people from the wage bill and recover $1 billion or $2 billion. But Your Excellency, hiyo kibarua ni ngumu. Sijui utaanzia wapi kwa sababu sioni mtu mwingine akiwezana naye. It requires a decision at your level. And I don't know who will help you. Because unajua ni mtu wangu, lazima nikwambie ukweli. Watu wengi wako kwa serikali, wengine magavana, wengine heads of department, wengine wamekaa huku, wengine wamekaa na wewe hapa. Makaratasi yao iko dosari. So you will have to make a decision. Na sijui nani atakusaidia. Maybe Musalia ataweza because nilimuona ADD pale akisoma. Hata mimi nilikuwa pale. Na unajua mimi rais, hii maneno ya makaratasi sishughuliki sana naye. Because mimi sitaki kwenda hiyo barabara ya kwenda River Road. Mimi natosheka na ile kidogo niko naye. So when I've been complaining that I'm feeling lonely at the top because my boss has 3 degrees, Controller of State House has 3, nani kila mtu, mimi niko na kamoja. So hii watu ya River Road wamekuwa wakinitafuta. Nasema sasa wewe naibu wa rais unalalamika nini? Tumesaidia watu wengi. Tumesaidia fulani, tumesaidia fulani, tumesaidia fulani. Rais, hawa list hiyo nitakupatia ile nimepewa ya wale wamesaidika. Unajua, Your Excellency, as you are looking for a running mate, and it was looking like it was me and Professor Kindiki who were in the final shortlist. And my supporters were feeling probably I could be disadvantaged because Professor Kindiki ako pale na mimi niko pale. So a lot of my supporters and characters were calling me. Wanasema tunaweza panga haraka haraka hata kama nika masters utavutiwe ndio ufike pale. So Your Excellency, uliponiita kwa interview kuniuliza mambo ya masomo, nikakwambia niko na degree moja, ukaniuliza hata master huna. Nakwambia rais, unikubali tu vile niko, nitangangana mbele. Na rais unaona mimi nangangana. The beauty, there is no need now to look for these funny certificates. Kuna haja. We have come up with a very good program called Recognition of Prior Learning. If you feel you have skills and competencies that needs to be certified, the mechanism now is there. Kuna haja ya kwenda River Road, Uganda, Ghana, wapi, kuna haja. So hata mimi kuna haja ya kwenda kungana na masters. I'll turn up kwa hii watu ya qualifications, niseme nimengangana hii na hii na hii, na ninaona kama nimefika hiyo kiwango. They'll assess if they feel nimefika hiyo kiwango, na ile kasi nimesaidia rais, wanipatie masters without having to go through that route. So, Your Excellency, this issue of faith certificates, you have been known in this country now. You are on record. The hallmark of great leadership is to make difficult, hard decisions, sometimes unpopular. Since you came to office, you have made some hard decisions that from the look of it were looking very unpopular. But today, as we speak, Kenyans are saying you knew something and you did the right thing. In this matter of wage bill, in this matter of fake certificates, Your Excellency, I want to encourage you, make hard decisions that will be beneficial to this country. And that will form part of your legacy. With those very many remarks, let me request all of you to be upstanding as we welcome